Hello, I'm Terrel Platt with the CattleFax Closing Bell. Today's Closing Bell is sponsored by Verbac. Coming into the year, potential drought impacts weighed heavily on producers' minds, with dry conditions expected as a neutral ENSO pattern set in. While this has indeed been the case west of the Rockies, the eastern half of the country has seen significantly better precipitation through the summer than anticipated. Neutral ENSO conditions have held through midsummer, and while the outlook continues to lean neutral in the near term, NOAA has issued a La Niña watch, suggesting a brief La Niña episode could develop this fall into early winter before fading back to neutral. Such a shift could bring wetter conditions to the Pacific Northwest and parts of the northern plains, while the southern tier trends drier. Despite those risks, the percentage of beef cows in drought has declined from spring into summer. As of late July, about 23% of the beef cow herd was in drought-impacted areas, well below the March through June window, which saw as much as 45% of the herd affected. Summer precipitation has been well received, but the shift towards expansion and heifer retention remains slower than the previous cycle. Producers are beginning to hold back more replacements, yet rebuilding will be gradual, with any measurable recovery in the cow herd unlikely to show up in supplies for another couple years. Turning to this week's markets, trade was active in the north at $245 live and $385 dressed, which is steady with the top end of last week, but likely $1 more on average versus last week. Trade in the south has been light to moderate at $240 live, which is $4 higher than last week. Thanks for watching, and remember to visit CattleFax.com to become a member and receive the latest market news and analysis.